In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and sign documents on DocuSign, brought to you by the A-Tree Group. Whether you're finalizing a business contract or completing a personal agreement, DocuSign makes the process swift and seamless. Let's dive right in and guide you through the entire process so you can handle agreements with confidence and ease. First things first, to get started, open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button at the top right corner and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and log in with your username and password. If you don't already have a DocuSign account, consider registering for one to take full advantage of its features. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the DocuSign homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the Agreements section, typically found on the main toolbar or sidebar, depending on your layout. Click on it to view the list of agreements that require your attention. When you click on Agreements, a detailed list will appear, showcasing all the documents pending your review or signature. Look for the specific document you need to work on. Once you find it, click on the document name to open it and begin the review process. Now that you have the document open, you'll need to add some essential details. You'll probably see fields that require information such as your name, date, and any other specifics related to the agreement. Carefully fill these in, ensuring that all information is accurate and up to date to avoid delays in the signing process. Once all the details have been added, look for the Next button, often located at the bottom or right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will take you to the next stage of the review process. One of the key features DocuSign offers is the ability to preview your document before signing. Click on the Preview button to go through the entire document exactly as it will appear once completed. Make sure all fields and information are correct and in order. This step helps catch any errors or omissions before finalizing the document. After a thorough review, and once everything looks good, you're ready to apply your signature. DocuSign provides simple tools to add your electronic signature with ease. And just like that, you've successfully reviewed and signed a document using DocuSign. Congratulations! Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.